Hello. So let's answer now the question. So we have here four enzymes in the option. We have the ligase, the primase, the DNA polymerase, and the endonuclease. Okay, so um, for this question, uh, let's try to do elimination. Let's eliminate the wrong options. So the endonuclease enzyme is not the answer because the purpose of endonuclease enzyme is to cut or cleave the DNA into